What if your smartphone could stay ahead of the pack? What if you could add additional features that you never thought would be possible on your mobile device?
Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm co-founder of Nextpack, a modular phone case that will change your life.
Nextpack is a modular smartphone case that allows you to customize your phone to do more and to allow you to do more with your phone. How does it work? Slide your phone into the Nextpack case, add some modules, access the app, and enjoy the unique features each module provides. We've already created 12 modules to get you going, and there's more to come. Nextpack is the first phone case that allows you to switch hardware between Android and Apple devices. This means you can trade modules with friends and family and experience the different features each module provides. If you do choose to upgrade your phone, all you'll need to do is change your case and your modules will always work with you.
Phone. Your phone away from phone. Designed to be used as little as possible. It's the size of a credit card and it only makes phone calls. Works with your existing phone, allowing you to comfortably disconnect. You can go out with the light phone free of distractions and you'll never miss a call from mom. We look at everything everyone else is building. It's fighting for more of our attention and more of our time. The light phone is thoughtfully simple, designed to be used as little as possible.
We are using the same technology we used 10 years ago to build phone. But for the light phone, we strip away everything but the phone itself. The only essential connection that we think people need.
My name is Rudy.
My name is Paul.
And this is the Embrace Plus.
It's hard to imagine life without our smartphones, constantly checking to see if we've missed an important call or message, update, or birthday. With the Embrace Plus, those days are over. The Embrace Plus is a stylish piece of wearable technology that lets you know what's going on via a series of visual and tactile alerts. The Embrace Plus keeps you informed while your smartphone stays in your pocket or purse, allowing you to continue with your busy life. Of course, the Embrace Plus will notify you when you have a new email, phone message, tweet, or text. It'll tell you when someone has posted to your Facebook wall or replied to a post or comment you've left online. It'll tell you you're about to be late for a meeting, if it's your best friend's birthday, or remind you to recharge your phone. More than that though, the Embrace Plus will tell you if one of those messages was from your significant other, your boss, or your assistant. Really, it's up to you. Setting up the Embrace Plus is easy via the Embrace Plus app provided. On your smartphone, you can set how the two interact and what information you want to be kept informed about, how often, and in what style. It's entirely up to you.